Today I am just learned how to unscrew and screw in a turn signal light, and I'm going to tell you how to.
On a
Honda CR-V.
Yeah.
So you come over here and yeah, that lever right there.
On the inside.
Pull it, and then now that. You walk over here. Now you can see it's like this, but you can't just lift it up. It's right above here. You have to put your finger in it, and you can feel something in it. And you push it, and then you can lift it up. And then you take this rod, and right there, where the arrow is pointing right there, put that in.
All right.
And then
So this is the turn signal.
Right here is the turn signal. You see that? We turn it there, and boom, there's our light. Push it down, turn right. There's our light. This is the old one. It's bad. I don't have any pockets.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I promise this isn't a sponsor, but we got this from O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Yep. And this light bulb number is?
It's 1157 NA.
Yeah.
But on here it just says A, but it's still the same thing.
Yeah, same one.
Okay. They gave us two, but we don't only have to do one now. Get it out. Alright, there we go. Cameraman, all this.
Okay.
Camera lady.
Alright.
Alright, put this in.
It only goes in a certain way. Here, let me see.
Put it down. It's kind of hard.
You're gonna line it up.
There we go.
There you go.
I'll show you how. So you see these little things right there? There's that, and you line it up like that, and you push it down and turn that way. Turn left.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's really hard to gotta find the right where it is. There we go. And then twist it back to block it, and there we go.
And that's.
And you gotta carefully take it. Come here.
Mm-hmm.
It's really hard. Put it in there, that little notch right there. And then you get 3, 2, 1.
All right. Wanna go test it out?
Yeah, let's test it out. Go test it out. I'll hold the camera.
Yes. Okay.
The camera. I haven't really held a camera before, so sorry if it's a little shaky. And that's the windshield. It's blinking.
All right, we're good.
There we go. It's working. And you know that you did good if you have this amount of crap on your hands.
All right.